What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Rob's house. We are here in Chattanooga today for the quick Everett's Cars and Coffee in the Corvette, and we're next to Jamie, of course. And Blake actually rolled with me today, so we're able to bring both cars today. We got the Viper and the Vet out for once. It's usually pretty difficult, actually, to bring these out simultaneously because I never have anyone to drive the Viper, but Blake didn't want to drive his race car because his 240 has no interior, so he drove the Snake for me today. Do a little walk around and show you guys what's all here today. There's a lot of cool stuff here today. A lot of cool stuff. What are we looking at, Jamie?
E30, BMW, LS swap.
Whose car is this?
Perry's.
Oh, it's Perry's car.
Perry.
Oh, nice.
We just redid the interior.
That looks nice, dude. Yeah. An LS. Dude, it fits pretty good in there. It fits pretty good. Wow. Oh, he's got air conditioning too. Right on.
One of the best handling BMWs made.
Huh?
One of the best handling BMWs made. E30.
Yes. Yeah.
It does have AC.
It has AC, yeah. That, I saw the... yeah.
Wheel wood brakes.
Yep.
Classic Apex wheel there BMW has.
Yeah. Big brake kit. Then wrench garage, dude. Hell yeah, brother. This event is organized into 2 parking locations. We're here in the main VIP area, but it's kind of limited in size, so the rest of the attendees are over here, and we'll go walk over there in a second with Blake. For now, we got a little Hellcat action over here, a couple of CTSVs. This one, very clean. I believe this car makes somewhere in the vicinity of 800 to 900 wheel. Jamie told me, and I don't remember, but it's definitely fast. This is a Vengeance racing car. Yeah, green accents everywhere, which is pretty cool. So you can kind of see the green calipers down there. Yeah, so this was the other V over here that was pretty cool. That I think this guy said he needed a tune, so I might have to talk to him about that. Huh? Oh yeah. Huh? Yeah, Robson, exactly. Tune all these. Yeah, these cars are awesome. They're just like
Easy power, man.
easy power. Yeah, I mean it's such a cool daily driver because, like, you know, tons of power but tons of room. Super sick. First thing that caught our eye when we rolled in was this thing. Mustang Ute. Right hand drive. Victoria tag. I've never seen one of these before.
No.
Super unique. This thing looks pretty clean, dude. Oh, dude, that's sick. I think it will, actually, honestly. That's crazy, dude. That color flip, that's nuts. Yeah, if we go like this, so like where the sun hit, you can kind of see it, where the sun hits it, it turns like almost green. Yeah, that looks sick, dude.
I didn't even see it.
Some Forgiatos on it, deep dish. Looks awesome. Dude, I love stuff like that, like stuff that you don't see. We got some Dolph camo over here. Off-road action with the T-Rex.
Oh yeah.
We got to respect the Cobra, man. One of the, you know, from my childhood, one of the most badass cars on the street at the time. Just super clean example of one. Really nice.
Oh, this is beautiful paint. You don't want to mess it up.
Yeah, dude, this thing's sweet.
Yeah, I'm they can make them a lot more.
They make pretty good power, dude. Yeah, it's something like that. For that time period, that was a lot of power, dude.
Yeah, it's a Hellcat before Hellcat.
Yeah, actually, yeah. That's exactly what it is. That is correct. Yeah, I mean, back in the day, because, I mean, that's like, what, 03, 04, right? So you're talking 20 years ago. There were barely any factory supercharged cars on the market, period. And then...
They actually had custom rods on those. Mainly actually made the rods for them because Ford didn't actually, have a manufacturing process for them.
Mm-hmm.
So they bought aftermarket rods and put in every single one of those motors.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey, whatever, man. They didn't break. Coming off the assembly line, basically making in the around 500 or 4 something stock. What did they make? 420 wheel, so 500 motor, right? That was a lot in 03, 04. That was a lot of power back then. Jeep Nation doing Jeep things over here. I wonder how long it took them to set this up.
They do every car show, I'm sure.
Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, they probably do it a lot. We got a fellow Z06 brethren here next to a Mach 1. I actually have not seen one of these in person yet. These look cool, dude.
What's the difference between the motor in these?
Nothing. It's Coyote. Yep.
I nothing did like a the GT350 or
Nope.
that motor.
Thank God they didn't do the GT350 motor. Yeah, that car is literally the perfect combo. Tremec trans, which frankly, I wish they did on all the Mustangs.
They should.
They should, yeah. And then Coyote. So super reliable. This has caught Blake's eye.
Factory or with flat four? With flat four or?
Fuel cell in the front.
Yeah.
Dude, these wheels are clean, dude.
Dude, I love transactions.
This whole thing is clean. Wow. Transaxle. Dude, I've like never seen one of these in person. This thing's wild. Dude, his interior's like perfect. Yeah, like showing it on camera, it looks so good. Some more GM goodness over here. Yeah, we totally skipped this row. What are we doing? There's a lot of good stuff here. First of all, Type R. I love Type Rs. I've said it in previous videos. I love Type Rs. I don't care what anyone says. I like how Honda literally riced them out from the factory. They also drive great. They're dope. So, haters gonna hate. I don't care. I like them, and I wish my wife would want to drive stick every day so that we could get one. Then we got a Z06, Z07 car over here. See those big old carbon ceramics on it. This is an auto car. Yeah, pretty nice. And then CTSV. And another Z07 car. Brakes are dead giveaway. For anyone not super familiar with Corvettes, the dead giveaway for a C7, if it has the Z07 package or not, is going to be the carbon ceramic brakes. So, and in particular, it's really easy to spot them in the rear because, like, look how massive they are. So my car is a Z07 car, so I have the same thing, but I just did an iron rotor. I have track rotors on mine, but it's still the same size. Dude, I don't know what Chrysler was thinking by putting a V6 in these things. They should have put a Hemi in it. I love the Prowler. I love them, dude. They look so wild. They're super cool.
I remember when I was a kid and they came out, I actually liked them.
Yeah. No, they're super cool. The only reason they didn't sell more of those things is because it was underpowered. That's the only reason. I'm convinced. It's otherwise I think it would have been a really, really popular car. The parking lot's pretty packed, so I think it's time to get the drone up in the air. I'll see you guys in the sky. I'm always going to include this car in my vlogs because I love it. I love that I inspired it. I love the execution. Go give him a follow on the gram. The homie Rodin Raps over here. Love it. Love to see it. I think he did a really good job with the wrap, dude. Like, it's clean. You look up close with all the corners and tucking and stuff, it's clean, dude. It's a good wrap. So we saw this thing pull in before, and it sounded freaking gnarly, dude.
Like an airplane radial motor in it.
Yeah, dude, it sounded crazy when this thing pulled in. It's pretty badass. Very clean.
888
R888s? Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. You're right. He does like to play, clearly. Yeah, that's pretty serious, dude. I mean, and it's clean. I mean, for someone who's obviously driving it a lot too, you know? His paint looks great, man.
Over it's 50. I'm not even going to modify it. It's got 50 horsepower.
It's wild, man. Oh, yeah. G8? Huh? Yeah, 4-star, yeah. Chomp, 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 chomp.
K-swapped.
K-swap?
Yeah, turbo K.
That'd be cool.
Yeah.
There is a hidden gem over here in the corner in the form of a Roush Nightmare F-150. Or 250, sorry, 250. I'm wrong. And it's just, you know, casually like over here for the food truck. And he has an absolutely badass truck. And I wanted to make sure that I got it in the vlog because I love these things. I've never seen one of these things in person either, but this is pretty cool. Trans Am replica Camaro, basically. It's just a Camaro with a body swap, right? More or less?
Yeah.
And I mean, it looks awesome. I love the wheels. They look just like the OG Trans Am wheels. Yeah. You can see on the inside, it's, you know, basically a Camaro, right? Well, he's got the T-top, dude.
It's a custom car.
It's a full-on kit.
I forget who
Supercharged LS.
454. Called that guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, LS6 block. See how it's got multiple.
Yeah.
Bad motor. Supercharged too.
Yep. 7.4 liter.
Got blower on it.
It does have blower, yeah. And he's, of course, has the bird on the hood. So sick. Dude, the original car that this is based off of, they were cool back in the day. They're really cool cars. All right, guys, we're about to roll out. I hope you enjoyed the coverage of this event. Really fun event. I'm glad we got to come down here. It had been a while since I had been down here for a quick Everett's event. We got a long drive ahead of us, so we're about to head home. Blake is piloting the Viper, and I'll be manning the Corvette. As usual, I hope this video is entertaining, and I'll see you guys next time.